Former Chevi South Member of Parliament Kilazivu has joined the masses in mourning Pastor Messiah, who was abducted and killed over the weekend when they were doing door-to-door campaigns in Mavoku. He said, "God isn't sleeping, my brother. Some rejoice to please their masters, but God can't be abducted or killed. Your wishes of a peaceful nation will come to pass. The evil will perish, abductors will die poor and shameless. God will guide your family." This is what Killers have said. And it's said Team Zimbabwe to note that Pastor Messiah died a painful death. To those who have never felt how abduction is, for those who have never been hunted, for those who have never been involved in deep politics, they will not understand. To those who blindly follow and support political parties, they will not understand. But this is a tragedy. Team Zimbabwe, if you have never run away from your family because of people coming after you, you will never understand the story of Pastor Messiah. But for those who have been in politics for long, for those who have tasted the bitterness of the regime, they will tell you that indeed this was a sad death for Pastor Messiah. I feel for people like Comrade Wambera Shenende, for comrades like Tagodzonga Dzore or Beisha, for several comrades who went through torture, abduction. It's said Team Zimbabwe to be in Zimbabwe. It's something very difficult because your safety is not guaranteed. So ndozva zviri zvikanzi panapa naFarai Ishmael zvikanzi the only person who uses no political feelings, pakashata munotaura, pakanaka munotaura, hanzi makanyanya mukoma. Zvikanzi panapa perfect say honorable, zvikanzi can't believe these words are from you. Okay, zvikanzi amen. So personally, I know Kilazivu personally. When we attended the same school, but he was way ahead of me. But if you take a look on who was Kilazivu then when he was in school and who is Kilazivu when he became councillor for the first time, and he left that position and he came back to be councillor once again around 2013. Kilazivu has been a generous man. He was different from other people. He never campaigned achishandisa simba kana kuti achishandisa chitororo. He was somebody who was naturally loved because he knew how to win elections. He never used force against individuals in Chivi South. So fast forward to 2018 when he was elected member of parliament for Chivi South constituency. He was elected on merit. He was not elected. I don't believe that there was somebody who can defeat Kilazivu in Chivi South constituency one-on-one, because he is, even to this day, if we are to have elections tomorrow, he will defeat the current MP of ZANU PF. Even if he's an independent, even if he comes under any other political party, Kilazivu would have won that Chivi South seat because he's loved, generally loved, and is the talk of every household. So when you hear Kilazivu saying some of these things is genuine, that's Kilazivu for you. He's one of the people wekuti anogona kutonotora kune vanazvo achiuya nazvo kune vasina. So that alone, it's a difference. He's somebody asina kudzidza iye pachake. Vanhu vanomuseka kuti Kilazivu haana 5 O levels haana chii, but is building schools for your kids, for other kids to have education, to attain 5 O levels. vave nechikoro ichocho chamunenge muchiti haana. So that is a leader for you. He is one of the people wekuti in terms of development he has helped Nherera, has launched projects, drill boreholes for several people, all those philanthropies which are happening. So hakuna munhu asinawo dark side rake, but we are simply mentioning kuti he's one of the people with a reasonable mindsets. He called for unity soon after 2018 elections and was fired from ZANU PF for that. That should tell you the kind of people we are dealing with. Kuti they never cared about Zimbabwe. They never cared about unity. They don't even wish to have unity in the nation of Zimbabwe. So thanks Mkoma Killer for raising this issue, and may the soul of Pastor Messiah rest in peace.